Now we shall discuss module 3, that is on energy and ecosystem, environment and ecosystem, in the subject energy and environment. Okay, so this is a third module, and as far as teaching is concerned, this is the last module of teaching. So what is environment? Whatever, now you are sitting here, okay, you are getting this breeze here, surroundings are there, okay, this everything constitutes environment. Correct? So what is the problem? What is the problem now for the environment?
The pollution.
Pollution. Animals are creating pollution?
Yes, sir.
Plants? So human beings are, you agree? So environment is the surroundings. But who is polluting the surroundings? Human beings. One thing very simple. Next. What is pollution in that case? Next. What is pollution? Pollution can be like air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution. Pollution means something unwanted. Something, suppose now I am taking a class here. Somebody starts shouting here, making sound or firing crackers. So it will be a disturbance. Noise will be a disturbance. The crackers will emit some sulfur, smoke and all. That is a nuisance. Air pollution. You are getting my point? That for crackers, all that will fall down. Papers will fall down. That is soil pollution. You understood? One cracker means one set of crackers. They cause noise pollution. They cause air pollution. They cause land pollution. And if it is thrown in water, it causes water pollution also. Got it? So basically, this environment subject is introduced due to the guidance of Supreme Court, directives of Supreme Court. Man in the quest to develop, he is spoiling the environment. Simple it is. And there were some public interest litigations, like you might heard of Taj Mahal in Agra. So Taj Mahal started turning yellow, pale yellow. You might have heard of this. There was a public interest litigation by some environmental advocates. Then Supreme Court intervened and told, no, we have to protect our monuments, they are our national heritage. And hence, they asked the nearby industries to relocate. That was a very landmark decision in the history of India. And after that, all the schools, colleges, all the degree, not only your engineering person, even general degree, if you are studying BA, BCom, BSc, everywhere environment is being taught mandatorily. Clear? You got it? So I was talking about public awareness. So how, see what happens even now when you are in undergraduate program, you have almost formed your minds. You have got strong opinions now as a student. But normally student means we are trying to shape. They are getting shaped in an institution, correct? Like you see that picture, Dabang, that girl is making something out of the clay. So potter is making out of clay, na? Once the clay is hardened, burnt, then can you change the shape? No. Students are like clay. They should be properly shaped to whatever shape you require. And then once it is fired, then you cannot influence them or change them. Got it? So now lot of NGOs, you know what is NGO? NGO is non-governmental organizations. They are also taking this interest on the environment. Lot of awareness is being spread. I think you see everywhere now. I think now toothbrush they are making out of wood, bamboo. Bamboo, I think very aggressively they are promoting bamboo also. And lot of things, even straw I have seen. Some film star she has given. She is not using those straws, paper straw. You understand? You have seen this or not? Even your ice creams, you know that cone ice cream. That cone, you can eat that cone. It is made of rice. Got it? So they are trying to I am not telling big things, these small things, and government is doing its own bit. Like last year you have seen 2020 government came out with this emission norms Bharat stage 6. Now your cars and bike prices have gone up last year. You know that, because the emission norms have increased. Very stringent emission norms for all the new vehicles. So even the fuel, whatever you buy, petrol, diesel, that is high quality with less emissions. And whatever vehicles you are buying, in that also there are new technologies, some equipments added, so that whatever the pollutants are going out, they are properly treated and sent out. It is not that you see earlier old vehicles, they make lot of sound, lot of smoke coming. But you see the new vehicles, last year and this year vehicles, ekdam very smooth, no noise, no smoke. You observed? Please observe this. The quality of fuel has gone. Even vehicles, they don't pollute, because now they have to comply with Bharat stage 6, that is Euro 6 norms. Globally, that is the standard. Okay. Now, then what is the ecosystem? Now we are suppose you are in this Western Ghats. These are called Western Ghats. Right from I think Pune, Kolhapur, here, Karwar, Mangalore, Kerala. These all hills are called as Western Ghats. So this is all coastal belt. So here the ecosystem is different. Whereas where we stay, the ecosystem is different. They are plain lands. These are like what do you call? Ghats. You have a lot of and only I don't know whether you are aware, this Uttar Kannada district and this has got highest number of trees per person. The number of trees is highest here. Whatever air we are breathing now is supplied by these trees only. Okay, there is no manufacturing plant for treating this air. These trees only are purifying the air and giving it back. They absorb the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. That I think you are aware. Yes. You are aware. And the process, I think there is something called very good, photosynthesis. So ecosystem may be a region with a particular and recognizable landscape, like forest. You have forest here, means a lot of trees. Grassland. Our side we have got a lot of grassland. Okay. Desert. I think in Rajasthan, Thar, Gulf and all, you have got a lot of desert. You might have seen a lot of desert, na? Saudi, these all they are mostly deserts actually. They don't portray the desert. I think this boy has stayed there, studied there, so he knows. What they are converted, the deserts only, people will not like those deserts. So you don't find, if you see any video, any picture of this Middle East, they'll only show big buildings, some beaches, nice roads, big cars, this kind of all the development what they have done. But in reality, that is only 5 to 10%, not more than that. Not even 5%. Rest is all desert only there. Coastal space, this is all coastal space. To the sea, this is all coastal space. So here the ecosystem is different. You get lot of marine things to eat. People eat, because this is a coastal belt, all this Konkan belt, we eat all marine life here. But that is not the case in our interiors, hinterlands what you call. So there you don't get this kind of fresh or this. They eat, the consumption, per capita consumption is low. Here the per capita consumption is more. Per capita means per individual per year. Okay. The geographical, climatic and soil traits form its non-living factor. So there is something called biotic and abiotic. When you apply A, means it is absent. Biotic means biological. Abiotic means none. Like digestion also, aerobic digestion, anaerobic. Anaerobic not, in the absence of air. So everywhere in the ecosystem you have living things as well as non-living things. So living things we call that biotic, non-living things like land, soil, this and all we call it as abiotic. Okay. Then this energy flow, you can see here now, whatever you see, now you are breathing air. So this, what we are taking inside? Oxygen, and we are releasing carbon dioxide. Okay, then this air, whatever is there, there is moisture in this air? Yes, sir. How you will find out? Now how you prove this, there is a moisture in the air?
When we take cold water and we take, so we can see that moisture.
Yes, you bring one cold drink, put in a steel glass, put the cold drink inside, after some time you will find that outside the glass there will be water droplets. Correct? That is the indication that this especially this coastal belt, it has got more quantity of air, sorry, more quantity of moisture when compared to the hinterlands, correct? That is known as humidity. Huh? What?
Condensation, I told, sir.
That process of converting vapor to liquid is called as condensation, correct? Condense, evaporate, ulta, condense, and this the amount of air in water, sorry, water in air is known as humidity. So humidity also, because I teach this refrigeration, air conditioning and all, so वहाँ पे absolute humidity, relative humidity, specific humidity, this is different. How do you measure? How you measure this? For that, different units are there. Okay. So now we look at the energy flow. So you have got water cycle. You have got water cycle. You have got carbon cycle. You have got oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, and the energy cycle. Okay. Now let us look at water cycle. So how you get water here? What is water cycle? What happens? Water is there in the oceans and all, whatever it is. Water is there in ocean, sea, river. Okay, one thing. Next, even these trees, they transpire, they release water also. Humans, you have observed anytime, you will get. You have observed this. So we also leave moisture. So this is my drawing for human beings. Okay. So these are trees. So what happens due to, what is this? Sun. Due to sun, this water evaporates. Evaporates now, as you rightly said, it goes on the top. It goes on the top. As it goes up, the pressure decreases or increases. ऊपर जाते हैं pressure ज़्यादा होता है कम होता है? Pressure decrease. Very good. Why it decreases? Because the pressure will decrease because the amount of air, suppose यहाँ तक हवा है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक हवा है, ठीक है? तो इसका हवा का दबाव इसके ऊपर पड़ रहा है ना? This entire air is exerting pressure on this. But if I go here, only this much air is there, so pressure is reduced. Got it? So as you go up, the pressure is reduced. Then what happens? This vapor, whatever you have seen vapor, na, it starts condensing. It starts condensing. Okay, and it forms clouds. It forms clouds. And nowadays you are finding, I don't know, last week and all, we have seen clouds, fog here. What is that fog actually? What is, you have seen fog here in the early morning?
Yes, sir.
है ना? What is fog? Not that advertisement. क्या चल रहा है? Not that. हाँ. So don't confuse because I have to make it clear. हाँ, what is fog? And yes, fog is nothing but cloud. Sit down. Fog is nothing but cloud at ground level. Simple it is. Fog is nothing but cloud at ground level. So here we are lucky that there are no pollutants. Here we are lucky there are no pollutants. In London it happened. This fog with smoke, fog plus smoke, it is known as
Smoke.
very good. It is known as smog. It has taken so many lives. Okay. So due to weather conditions, low temperatures, especially during night, from where that water came, if you find all this fog here, from where the water came? From these plants, trees only, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct? From the plants, trees only that water close by. Because it got condensed, you find that smog. And due to this fog, the visibility will reduce. The visibility will reduce. I think you should know this. That is very dangerous, even for trains, aeroplanes and all. Even that air crash, I think they are told, some weather conditions only, visibility was hampered. Okay? So you have got evaporation, So as I said, water bodies, they will evaporate, top they will go, they will condense, then it will fall. Very good, very good. This is known as, this going up is known as evaporation. Then condensation. Condensation is nothing but phase change. Phase change. Even your car, you have got a condenser, like what you call radiator and all. Okay. Condensing. Condensing means phase change from vapor to it is becoming liquid. Evaporation is liquid to, again, evaporation is a phase change where the liquid is getting converted to vapor. Here the vapor is converting into liquid, and here it will fall in the form of droplets, and that is known as precipitation. Yes? हाँ, cloud का. Very good, excellent. I appreciate this because even I have this doubt. Sit down, very nice. Cloud देखो बॉस, अभी cloud बना कैसा? Very nice point he has got. This should be the curiosity of an individual. Even I have that curiosity. Now what we are speaking कि पानी evaporate होता है, correct? पानी evaporate होता है तो ऐसा एकदम तो नहीं जाता ना. पानी जो जाता है, it will go, small vapors. It will go in the form of vapors. Small vapors. वेपर जाएगा. अब वेपर जब ऊपर जाएगा ना, प्लीज लिसन, व्हेन वेपर गोज अप इट विल नॉट कंडेंस बाय इटसेल्फ. टेम्परेचर कम होगा तो वो कंडेंस होने की कोशिश करेगा. उसके लिए एक न्यूक्लियस चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? कुछ डस्ट, डर्ट, ऐसा कुछ पार्टिकल रहा तो ये स्टार्ट्स कंडेंसिंग. इसलिए तुम देखो जब ये व्हेन यू कॉल दैट आर्टिफिशियल रेन दे मेक ना, फॉर आर्टिफिशियल रेन दे डू क्लाउड सीडिंग. देयर इज अ टर्म कॉल्ड क्लाउड सीडिंग. दे यू अंडरस्टैंड क्लाउड सीडिंग. तो क्लाउड में वो सीड छोड़ता है तो वो क्या होता है, वो जो ड्रॉपलेट है, देयर इज अ बिग टेक्नोलॉजी हियर. दिस वेपर ना, इट हैज टू कंडेंस एंड इट हैज टू ग्रो इन साइज. इट हैज टू grow in size. It is not a water body like ocean or river in the air. No, it is only vapors, small vapors. ठीक है? Then they condense and they fall. But because they are all together very close by, you can see that black clouds. They are called as cumulonimbus clouds, and that is what that black clouds only they precipitate and give you rain. वो पानी ऐसा पूरा नहीं है उधर. Even yesterday I was having that apple cider vinegar. Just I saw one bottle in my house. I put warm water. Then immediately I had some trouble. ये क्या है? फिर this morning also I had. Then what I did? In the hot water I have put that vinegar. Then what I have seen, that is evaporation is taking place. I observed that. अरे साला ये तो हाँ वो पट ने पिया ना तो वो evaporate होके I had some problem. फिर अभी सुबह पिया तो ठीक था क्योंकि मैंने उसको ऐसा हिला के उसका वेपर सब निकाल दिया. क्योंकि दैट इज ऑल्सो अल्कोहल. दैट विनेगर हैज गॉट सम अल्कोहल विच इवेपोरेट्स वाटर मीन्स समथिंग वोलेटाइल जो गर्मी में उड़ जाता है. तो समझ है ना. तो वैसा ही वो वेपर जाके कंडेंस होता है और वो गिरता है. करेक्ट. सो दिस वाज द वाटर साइकिल. I'll read out. When it rains, the water runs along the floor and flows into rivers and falls directly into the ocean. So here you can see Kali River comes and meets the mighty ocean. What is this ocean called? Arabian Sea. Right side you have got Bay of Bengal. This is Arabian Sea. Because I have not seen that ना. So long day. वो देखेगा तो मालूम पड़ेगा ना कौन सा क्या confuse हो जाता है. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. कन्याकुमारी गया था. मैं भी गया था. मैं देखा नहीं मगर उसको. ठीक है. गुड. देयर यू हैव दैट जंक्शन वेयर ऑल दिस बे ऑफ बंगाल, अरेबियन सी दे मीट. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडियन ओशन समथिंग ना. ओके गुड. द पार्ट ऑफ रेन वाटर दैट फॉल्स इनटू द लैंड percolates into the ground. Percolates means I think you are civil students, you know, understand that. वो पानी जमीन के अंदर पानी चले जाता है. ग्राउंड वाटर. दैट इज वाई यू कॉल इट अ ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल. आई थिंक इन यूर पार्लमेंट्स दे कॉल वाटर टेबल. अभी क्या हो रहा है इन स्पेशली इन आवर विलेजेस एंड ऑल इवन टाउन्स व्हाट आई हैव सीन. व्हेन आई बिल्ट हाउस आई थिंक आई हैड ड्रिल्ड इट फॉर 200 feet. वी गॉट वाटर एंड आई एम हैविंग अ पंप. चल रहा है मेरे घर में. बट टुडे 200 feet को पानी नहीं लगता हो. दे आर गॉन टू 500 feet. They have gone deep because the water table has gone down. It has gone. I think in villages it has gone almost to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, around 1000 feet. Sorry, not 1 kilometer, 1000 feet. Not is 1 kilometer, it's 1000 feet. They are now digging up to 1000 feet to get the groundwater. So उतना नीचे जाएगा तो pumping का power भी ज़्यादा चाहिए ना, तो electricity consumed also will be more if you are pumping it from very low areas. Correct है कि नहीं? So this percolated water is stored underground for the rest of the year. The plants and this all you can see all these trees and all from where they are getting. We are not watering them. So they are getting the water from the ground. Correct? They have water. They are slowly using that. Otherwise it will become dry. If they run short of water, they will become dry. Okay, the water is transpired from the leaves. I was telling about transpiration. Na? The water is transpired. You are here? So this water is transpired from the leaves. Daydreaming, please don't get into daydreaming. That transpiration happens through leaves. Even that photosynthesis, I think that chlorophyll is required, and that chlorophyll is available in the leaves. Right? Yes?
Sir, during cold weather, the water will be warm, sir, in river and all. At night or in early morning. So you can see the evaporation taking place, like steam. I have seen that.
You have seen evaporation?
So like when the temperature will be like almost 12 to 15 degree in that area, and the water will be a little bit warm, and you can see that evaporation.
Great, nice. I think I am yet to see that, but it evaporates. You know, there is a logic also. If you, I think, if you think na, water what temperature it boils?
100 degrees Celsius.
Great, agreed. तो ये इवेपोरेट कैसा हो रहा है पानी? पानी क्या समुद्र 100 डिग्रीज में है कि काली नदी 100 में है? कभी सोचा है? हम लोग कपड़े सुखाते हैं, हमारे कपड़े धोते हैं, सुखा के आते हैं, कपड़ा सूखता कैसा है? वाटर गेट्स इवेपोरेटेड ना?
But ground will be warm. The earth will be warm. The
So?
water will be having a normal temperature like 25 degree. But environment will be like 15 to 12 degree. Then you can see that evaporation. I have seen that.
Yes, sir. I am only asking you. You have seen. Great. I am happy that you have seen. But why it is happening? My question next is, what is the phenomena which causes the evaporation? कपड़े हम सुखा के आ जाते हैं ना, रात कपड़ा धो के now just now I put my clothes. तो सूखता कैसा है? सोचो. Thinking is a very big thing. I had to think on this. How the surface what? Because the temperature is very low, hardly 15, 20, 25 degrees centigrade. But still water evaporates. Na? What he has seen, physically also he has seen. I was talking about that hot water in my house with that vinegar, because that vinegar ka this ethyl alcohol and all boiling point is somewhere 72 degrees, 68 to 72 degrees centigrade. वो ठीक है. But तुम्हारा 100 डिग्री पे वाटर इवापोरेट होता है ना, कैसे होता है? See, evaporation, there are two things. One is evaporation, whatever it happens ना, यहाँ पे तो air blow कर रहा है first, हवा blow हो रहा है ना, correct? Everywhere there is a breeze, तो वहाँ पे it is get accelerated. Second thing, the pressure is low. Now, can you imagine when I say that there is air in this, there is water in this air, correct? You agree with me that there is water in this air, right? So, how that water is there in the air when the air temperature is only 35? Maximum you will get water air temperature 35, 40. यहाँ 40 से तो ऊपर जाता नहीं, correct? तो हवा में पानी कैसा है? 40 डिग्रीज में है ना हवा. ये हवा का टेम्परेचर कितना है? उसके अंदर पानी है, उसका टेम्परेचर कितना है? सेम 40. जो पानी हवा में है उसका टेम्परेचर भी 40 ही है, ज़्यादा नहीं है. तो कैसा आया? सोचा कभी? नहीं यार, क्वेश्चन इज हाउ यू गेट दिस मॉइस्चर at this low temperature. At 100 you said it water boils, correct है ना? But here what happens?
So which place sir actually? So you are talking about
This right now, this place.
because it's coming from ocean and from the ocean breeze comes here, no sir?
So that is bringing the
Yes sir.
that ocean जो is getting evaporated. That moisture vapor is coming here. You might say,
Yes.
okay, I'll take that also. But how that ocean temperature? What is the temperature of ocean?
So now the temperature will be low because
So but evaporation is happening.
yes sir.
Huh? How?
Hot air moves up, cold air will be down.
Correct. That is also there in any cycle, any fluid, air for that here specifically air. So anything which is hot goes up. That is why you find ventilators at the top. ठीक है all, and the cold comes. This is how. हाँ.
The oceans,
It happens in water also, ocean also. हाँ.
ocean surface when we will be getting evaporation.
Yes. Ocean surface का temperature कितना है? 25-30 उतना ही. Ocean गर्म थोड़ा रहेगा. सोचो. See, this evaporation boiling is a function of temperature. Pressure is a function of pressure. I don't know whether you have anybody seen sugar factory. Sugar factory देखा है? How they make this sugar? That process is known as vacuum evaporation. That is known as. अच्छा तुम्हारा salt for that matter यार. Salt you have seen ना? तुम खाते हो ना? उसके ऊपर लिखा vacuum evaporated. You have seen? You have seen that or not? हाँ, so ये आया कहाँ से भाई? Vacuum evaporated. Salt का बोल रहा हूँ simple. All your this high tech salt whatever you take ना, this is all vacuum evaporated. Earlier what they used to do, I think Gokarna and all, they put that small areas na, ponds, and that will evaporate. Over a period of time, it takes time, and that what you got is crystal salt. But today what you are getting is vacuum evaporated. Vacuum में क्या होता है? The boiling point reduces. Vacuum में क्या होता है? Boiling point reduces. Boiling point reduces means the amount of heat being supplied also reduces. इसलिए मैंने बोला कि जो शुगर फैक्ट्री में जो उसको वैक्यूम पैन से बोलते हैं उसको पैन PN इफ यू कैन गूगल दिस ऑल थिंग्स यू गो टू दिस ना वैक्यूम पैन्स दिस इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग इज दिस इज अ टेक्नोलॉजी बीइंग यूज्ड टू reduce the amount of fuel being burnt to produce sugar. You get sugar somewhere 35-40 rupees kg. Very cheap it is. भाजी भी नहीं मिलता कारवार में 80 rupees kg है. समझ? तो शक्कर इतना सस्ता क्यों है? समझ आया? Okay. The next we'll go. I think enough discussion we had. Think it over. It's not that teacher knows all the answer. ऐसा नहीं होता. Teacher also reads something and comes. Correct है ना? Tomorrow some of you will become teachers. Then there is something called carbon cycle. What is carbon cycle?
Carbon dioxide into oxygen, converting CO2 to oxygen. CO2 to oxygen, carbon cycle.
Okay, very good. Converting CO2 to oxygen. That is also how the carbon. हम मारने के बाद हमको क्या करते हैं? खड्डा खोद के डाल देते हैं. करेक्ट है? या तो जला देते हैं. Only two things ना. Either they burn you or they dig a small pit. Jai Hind. They put inside. Correct. So what happens? All our these small microorganisms they start eating. And I think Kirtan, I remember I told you in my class whatever burns this fuel, whatever burns, whatever fuel it is, petrol, diesel, kerosene, aviation turbine fuel, whatever, they comprise only two things. What are those things?
Kerosene and oxygen.
Hydrogen and carbon. So that is known as hydrocarbons. That is why it is known as hydrocarbons. बोला था कि नहीं? Water उसका ये अलग अलग है. Even LPG is carbon, propane or butane, C3H8. So carbon, hydrogen. Petrol, C8H18, octane बोलते हैं उसको. C8H18. अलग अलग ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है, बट रहने का सिर्फ दो ही चीज़. एक तो कार्बन है उसमें जो जलता है और
Hydrogen.
हाँ ठीक है. डोंट से दिल जलता है बिकॉज देर ऐड ना फेविकॉल का कुछ ऐड है सिर्फ ना सब सब कुछ जोड़े except your this is good, very good. You have seen that ad? Huh? Fevical का नहीं देखा? I see what happens. You know, these ads are very intelligently made. You have to understand a lot of its meaning as well, and how they impress the common man. Achha. So you can see, and whatever this coal, now you are using coal, petrol, diesel, whatever this petrol, diesel you are using, they are all coming from the underground. Crude oil बोलते हैं उसको, क्या बोलते हैं? काला thick viscous liquid it comes, that is known as crude oil, right? What is that? Again, that is carbon and hydrogen. वो कहाँ से बना? Coal. How coal was formed? Wood, very good. It is by wood. Fossil, we उसका नाम भी क्या है? Fossil fuels. Fossil means जो नीचे दब गया many years, during high pressure, high temperature, that slowly decomposed, and you get it as coal. Coal में भी दो तीन नमूने हैं, anthracite coal, bituminous coal, lignite भी है, peat. Peat is first stage, second lignite, then bituminous, then anthracite. ऐसा quality of coals कि उसका how it has, उसका जो calorific value है ना, heating value, वो सबसे ज़्यादा उसमें है. पीट में पानी ज़्यादा रहता है. It takes time. I think I was told some thousands of years something to convert this trees into fossil fuels. Correct?
मेरे आपसे एक बार बारिश हो रहा था ना पार्वत में, उस टाइम मैं पौड़े में बीच गया था सर. तो बीच में वो तार बॉल्स है, वो क्रूड ऑयल होते हैं ना, तार बॉल्स.
तार बल्स.
मतलब वो क्रूड ऑयल जैसे था, पानी में फ्लोट होकर आ रहा था. एक कलेक्ट करके घर लेकर गया, सोचा कि क्रूड ऑयल होगा.
नहीं वो क्रूड ऑयल तो वो ऊपर से कहाँ से आएगा? क्रूड
कभी लीकेज हुआ तो नीचे
हाँ हो सकता है. There are something called tar sands, like even your Tilmati beach and all, black sand beach. So people have got that guess. Lot of research is going on क्योंकि this whatever fossil fuels you have got very finite, निकलने वाला वो. तो alternate क्या करेंगे? तो solar, wind. This subject is also in this process it is being taught. So today I don't know whether you are aware, whatever petrol you buy, it almost has got 10% alcohol. Don't drink, just smell and see. It has alcohol in that. ठीक है? And they are planning to increase it to 20% by another 10 years. So huge work is going. We have got around 500 plus sugar factories in India. And they are not only, earlier they used to produce only sugar. Today they are also producing alcohol, ethyl alcohol. ठीक है? And they are also producing electricity. वो जो शुगर केन को हम लोग क्रश करते हैं ना, जो सॉलिड जो निकलता है उसको बगास, दे कॉल इट बगास, उसको जला के वाटर को स्टीम कन्वर्ट करते हैं. तो स्टीम से स्टीम टर्बाइन रन करके दे जनरेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो ऑल थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. शुगर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, that electricity generation, that is known as co-generation, and alcohol, that is called distillery. Okay, but that alcohol is anhydrous, means not with water, without water, because हमारा पेट्रोल इंजन में वाटर नहीं चलता ना, so that is anhydrous water alcohol. Be careful. What alcohol we drink is only 42% alcohol. ठीक है, not 100%. That is 100%, that is called anhydrous alcohol. So as he rightly said, photosynthesis takes place. Actually nowadays lot of CCS, you have heard of this word CCS, CCUS? ये बहुत latest technologies are, these are, you can Google this also. This is carbon, whatever atmosphere now we are saying. Now what is the problem presently? Due to global warming and all. Now what is the amount of CO2 in the air? It is almost 400 ppm. कितना है? जो आज I am talking today 2022. Now we have got almost 400 parts per million. अगर 1 million parts का हवा लिया तो 400 पार्ट उसमें CO2 है. बट हमारा जो चाहिए वी समवेयर वांट अराउंड 250 to 300. दिस इज व्हाट इज डिजायरेबल. ये एडिशनल आदमी ने डाला है, दिस ऑल एक्स्ट्रा जो है आदमी ने डाला. तो आप लोग क्या सोच रहे हैं, नाउ देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड CCUS, वट एवर CO2 इज देयर दे आर ट्राइंग टू कैप्चर दैट. इट्स अ बिग थिंग आई एम टेलिंग. वाई? बिकॉज अगेन दैट यू कैन बर्न इट. अगर तुम उसमें से कार्बन कैप्चर करोगे ना तो उसको फिर जला सकते हो. कार्बन कैप्चर, यूटिलाइजेशन एंड स्टोरेज, दे आर ट्राइंग टू स्टोर इट इन अंडरग्राउंड, इसमें अर्थ इसमें, ठीक है, एंड दे वांट टू यूटिलाइज इट आल्सो. अगेन दैट कार्बन कैन बी अगेन बट. सो दिस इज न्यू जो रिसर्च हो रहा है, लोग बहुत कुछ इसके ऊपर, मैनी कंट्रीज आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमारे पास हवा में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है कि नहीं, तो हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं उसका. I think you might have seen people are trying to remove water, potable water from this air. You have seen? Even our students have done that project. Huh? Correct. Very wise fellow, that boy. Really very wise and very lot of efforts. Those boys, they have made that device to draw that using solar energy, and even they added some minerals also to that. Very nicely done. तो हम लोग प्लांट्स एनिमल्स जो मर जाते हैं, दे अगेन दे डिके, दे आल्सो कन्वर्ट, दिस इज लाइक ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल, इट गेट्स डीकम्पोज्ड. हम लोग वो तो बोलते हैं ना, हम मिट्टी से आए मट्टी में गए करके, दैट इज वाई देयर इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ डिगिंग अ पिट. हम लोग आए वहीं से, जाओ उधर. क्लियर? देन देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड नाइट्रोजन साइकिल. यू नो व्हाट इज नाइट्रोजन साइकिल? इट इज स्लाइटली डिफिकल्ट. नाइट्रोजन इज नॉट सो इजी व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड जस्ट नाउ. Whatever we have discussed, nitrogen cycle is not. So you know that lion feeds on goat, or correct? So lion and this tiger, whatever they call as carnivorous animals, and goat, sheep, herbivorous. Very good. So carnivorous animals feed on herbivorous animals that eat plants, and herbivorous animals what they eat? Plants. So एक cycle है, ये cycle है. So when the animals defecate, this waste material is broken down to the worms and bugs. Is broken down by worms and bugs, typically beetles and ants. Small beetles you might have seen, na? I think a beach also has seen small beetles. We remember that beetles, I think there are two things. One is a car, and second is a group. Band. हम लोग, see, when I say apple, then you will not remember that red apple. You will remember that. You understand? आदमी कितना influence हो गया. These little soil creatures break the waste material into little bits on which minute microorganisms and organisms can act. Please understand, plant है, plant से herbivorous animal है, herbivorous से carnivorous है. वो जब excrete करता है तो उसको decay होता है. डिके होने के लिए बीटल्स एंड एंट. उसके बाद में उसके छोटे भी हैं जो हमको नहीं दिखते. नॉट एवरीथिंग इज विजिबल, दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव. वेरी गुड. तू टीचर बनने के लायक है यार. दिस मटेरियल इज हैंस सेपरेटेड फर्दर इनटू सप्लीमेंट्स दैट प्लांट कैन रिटेन एंड यूज फॉर देयर डेवलपमेंट्स. इन दिस मैनर सप्लीमेंट्स आर रीयूज्ड वंस अगेन फ्रॉम क्रिएचर टू प्लांट्स. Thus the nitrogen cycle on which life depends is completed. नाइट्रोजन साइकिल जो है, क्या बताया मैंने तुमको? एनिमल्स कार्निवरस ईट हर्बिवरस, हर्बिवरस ईट प्लांट्स. करेक्ट? वॉट एवर एक्सक्रीटा इज देयर दैट इज ईटन बाय बीटल्स एंड एंट्स, और उसका जो ये है दैट इज अगेन ईटन बाय माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. देन यू गेट द नाइट्रोजन. नाइट्रोजन डायरेक्टली नहीं आता, जैसे तुमने बोला पानी इवेपोरेट हो गया, कंडेंस हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है, इतना इजी नहीं है. ठीक है? दैट इज वाई, दैट इज अ वेरी. एंड नाउ इफ यू नो व्हाट आर द फर्टिलाइजर्स द पीपल यूज नॉर्मली, दे कॉल इट NPK. मालूम है? फर्टिलाइजर्स तुम लाते हो ना, फार्मर्स दे यूज व्हाट आर दोस NPK मीन्स? वेरी गुड. तो यू नो दिस, कभी खरीदा है? वेरी गुड. दे आर 3 नाइट्रोजन, फॉस्फोरस एंड पोटाशियम. डिफरेंट रेशियोज, डिफरेंट ये डिफरेंट रेशियोज आर देयर. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इकोलॉजिकल, ऑक्सीजन साइकिल. So what is oxygen cycle?
CO2 to oxygen.
People, man, animals, they release CO2. CO2 is taken by these plants, trees. They will take their CO2, they will convert into oxygen. So this is the, somebody is producing, somebody is using, then again this cycle. Cycle means क्या? नीचे जा रहा ऊपर आ रहा ऊपर जा रहा नीचे जा रहा उसको क्या बोलते हैं? साइकिल बोलते हैं ना, करेक्ट? इट कम्स टू दैट बैक टू स्टेज वन बोलते हैं ना, back to square one, sorry. The oxygen cycle is a biogeochemical cycle. See, biogeochemical cycle that portrays the development of oxygen, and between its three principles, that is, it stores the air, the biosphere, that is the human living things, and the lithosphere. Lithosphere means जमीन के नीचे का उसको lithosphere, जमीन के ऊपर हवा को atmosphere. ठीक है. So what is the driving element for this oxygen cycle? कहाँ से होता है ऑक्सीजन बनता कहाँ से? क्लोरोफिल प्लांट से है ना, and the process is known as photosynthesis. In the presence of photo means light. It happens in the presence of light. Okay. So, and actually, what is the source of energy on this planet Earth? Basically, sun. Very good. Sun is the source of energy. Simple. Whatever you see, this हवा कैसे आ रहा है?
The low temperature, high temperature, pressure, and all because of sun only.
तो डायरेक्ट ऐसा थोड़ा बोलने का, तो एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप रहता है ना. तो बिकॉज ऑफ सनलाइट डिफरेंट एरियाज आर हीटेड इन डिफरेंट इधर. सो दिस डिफरेंस इन टेम्परेचर्स, द एयर गेट्स हीटेड अप समवेयर इन कूल, एंड एज राइटली सेड, हॉट एयर ट्राइज टू गो अप, cold air tries to come down. Density difference. So this airflow happens because of sun. हवा क्या हुआ? Temperature variation. If the temperature is not varying, then there will be no movement. तुम again try it out in a house when you are heating water. तुम देखो पानी गर्म करोगे तो पानी पहला तो स्टैंड ऐसे रहेगा, ठीक है. भगोना में रख के गर्म करोगे क्या होगा? नीचे वाला गर्म होगा, हवा पानी नीचे, पानी गर्म होगा तो जो वेसल को लग के है, फर्स्ट थिंग विच इज अटैच टू द वेसल, दैट बिकम्स हॉट, तो वो कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर जाएगा. यू कैन सी दैट साइकिल है. एयर का मालूम नहीं पड़ता, इसमें एटलीस्ट मालूम पड़ जाता है. सो सन इज द बेसिस ऑफ एनर्जी. देन यू गॉट दिस प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज प्रोड्यूसर्स. प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज प्रोड्यूसर्स बिकॉज दे प्रोड्यूस, what they produce? Oxygen. Then what else they produce? Plants क्या produce करते हैं?
Water vapor.
They give water vapor. Then ये खाते हो ना?
Apple.
फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स. ये जो फ्रूट वेजिटेबल खा रहे हो कहाँ से आ रहा है भाई? प्लांट से ही आ रहा है. See, unfortunately, I'll tell you, man has deviated to such an extent that if you ask some younger generation children nowadays कि दूध कहाँ से आता है तो प्लास्टिक पैकेट में आता बोलेगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इतना इग्नोरेंट है लोगों को, मालूम भी नहीं. ठीक है. देन द प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज प्रोड्यूसर्स. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कंज्यूमर्स. व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर कंज्यूमर्स? द हर्बीवोरस एनिमल्स. शीप, गोट, काउ, बुफेलो, ये सब क्या है?
They are vegetarians.
They are all vegetarian. Yes, very good. They are all, even you can say क्या? Elephant. They are all herbivorous.
The vegetarians in human beings.
हाँ, correct. वो they are, but they are not producer. हाँ, consumers. First, हाँ, vegetarian people, they are also, you can call them as first order. Agreed. Consumers. Good. So ऐसा सोचना चाहिए. See, learning should be very interactive. It is not that I am teaching something high tech new. ऐसा नहीं है. It's all you know. You are only teaching because it is a part of syllabus and you should have that awareness. Then second order consumers क्या है, ये carnivorous. Again you can include man there, animals. ठीक है. तो ये मरने के बाद कहाँ जाते हैं? ये गोट, sheep, आदमी मरने के बाद decay होके. So this is a cycle, energy cycle, right? ठीक है. Then there is something called ecological succession. Ecological succession is a process through which ecosystems tend to transform over a period of time. Succession can be related to seasonal environmental changes which create adjustments in the community of plant life and animals residing in this surrounding. Have you heard of mangroves? Huh? Have you heard of mangroves here? Have you seen? Mangroves मालूम है? You while going to Karwar, you will have that small lake coming. There I have seen it. Huh? Yes. इनका रूट्स ऊपर, वो क्यों रहता है ऊपर? सांस लेने के लिए. And those, I don't know whether you have seen, but you are not, you don't know the name. उसके ऊपर टैग लगा नहीं ना. टैग लगा तो तुमको मालूम पड़ जाएगा. बेसिकली पीपल, वही बोला ना, हम लोग ये पानी है तो नॉर्मली क्या ट्रीज क्या रहते हैं ना, ट्रीज ऐसा रहते हैं ना, रूट्स विल बी बॉटम. बट हियर ना यू हैव गॉट दिस प्लांट्स विथ सच काइंड ऑफ रूट्स. एंड यहाँ पे वो ये है प्लांट है, उसके रूट इतने लंबे लंबे दिख रहे हैं, 4 फुट 5 फुट 6 फुट तुमको दिखेंगे, हवा में दिखेंगे रूट्स. यू विल फाइंड दैट रूट इन एयर बिकॉज दे आर ट्राइंग टू एडजस्ट with the saline water and the normal water, and also they are trying to breathe. This is just I give one. They are very precious. Sundarbans, yes, very good. So I think you are only reading general knowledge, but technical knowledge you are reading. You are attending my class for the first time, if I am correct. हाँ, ठीक है. I have seen some girls regular there.
Last time आपने same बोला first time.
मैं बोलते रहता हूँ ना, तो मेरा काम क्या है? टीचर का काम ही है बोलना. कर ठीक है. Sundarbans, very good. See, I don't know whether you are thinking on these terms. This environment decay is happening, degradation is happening. That one girl, Greta Thunberg, I think you heard that girl, small girl, 14 years something. She is now international sensation. इंडिया का नहीं, वो लड़की सिर्फ 12-14 साल की है. गूगल किसी के पास चालू है? गूगल इट. ग्रेटा थंबर्ग उसका नाम है. स्मॉल गर्ल, हार्डली less than 15 years. She is a global sensation. She is more popular than any other minister, chief minister, prime minister. सबसे फेमस है वो. तुमने सुना नहीं उसका स्पीच? मारो ना वॉइस कमांड यूज. ग्रेटा.
तो मैंने बंद करके रखा सर, वो कभी भी बोलने लगता है.
You people are very complex. Very simple. मेरा तो phone anybody can operate. हाँ, you listen to a speech. I think when you talk of environment and energy, I think you have to hear her. Small girl. Because I think I am happy that this point came. She speaks among top people, not small people. Top प्राइम मिनिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट्स के सामने बात करती है, और ऐसा बात करती है उनको चप्पल से मारे जैसा बात करते हो.
Demanding action for climate change. What's your message to world leaders today?
My message is that we'll be watching you.
Demanding action for climate change. What's your message to world leaders today?
My message is that we'll be watching you. This is all wrong. I shouldn't be up here. I should be back in school on the other side of the ocean. continue to look away and come here saying that you're doing enough when the politics and solutions needed are still nowhere in sight. You say you hear us and that you understand the urgency. But no matter how sad and angry I am, I do not want to believe that. Because if you really understood the situation and still kept on failing to act, then you would be evil, and that I refuse to believe. The popular idea of cutting our emissions in half in 10 years only gives us a 50% chance of staying below 1.5 degrees and the risk of setting up irreversible chain reactions beyond human control. 50% may be acceptable to you, but those numbers do not include tipping points, most feedback loops, additional warming hidden by toxic air pollution, or the aspects of equity, climate justice. They also rely on my generation sucking hundreds of billions of tons of your CO2 out of the air with technologies that barely exist. So a 50% risk is simply not acceptable to us, we who have to live with the consequences. To have a 67% chance of staying below a 1.5 degrees of global temperature rise, the best odds given by the IPCC, the world had 420 gigatons of CO2 left to emit back on January 1st, 2018. Today that figure is already down to less than 350 gigatons. How dare you pretend that this can be solved with just business as usual and some technical solutions? With today's emissions levels, that remaining CO2 budget will be entirely gone within less than 8.5 years. There will not be any solutions or plans presented in line with these figures here today, because these numbers are too uncomfortable and you are still not mature enough to tell it like it is. You are failing us, but the young people are starting to understand your betrayal. The eyes of all future generations are upon you. And if you choose to fail us, I say we will never forgive you.
Small girl, she is an international sensation. She spoke on environment. She said, "Na, people are failing. These leaders are failing because see, as a student, you may not have that understanding what is the importance. I am not trying to paint a grey picture here. Don't mistake me.
सर वो 19 साल के
19 साल की नहीं, 2-3 साल पहले से है वो. मैं तुमको आज मैं मिला करके बता रहा हूँ. I know her from past 3-4 years. From 15-16 only she started speaking and she speaks very good. I just gave one figure ना 400 ppm of CO2. She has quantified that कि कितना CO2 है उधर. And हमारे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है. Please understand. I told you कि we have CO2 in the air, but we don't have the technology to convert that CO2 into carbon. So वो टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर रिसर्च चल रहा है. I just told you कि lot of people are and that should become economical ना सर. Ultimately इंडिया दुनिया में क्या चलता है? पैसा चलता है. तो it should be economical. अगर पेट्रोल आज 100 रुपये लीटर बिक रहा है एंड या कोल 30 रुपीज़ kg बिक रहा है, सो वट एवर आई ड्रॉ दैट फ्रॉम हियर, इट शुड बी चीपर देन ओनली पीपल विल बाय. इट इज ऑल simple economics. And she is right because people are talking only about growth, development. See, we all talk, मेरा इतना बड़ा घर है, इतना बड़ा लोग है. See, we are living in a hype. हम लोग we are the people, we never talk that what is your carbon footprint. Have you ever studied? What is your carbon footprint in your lifetime? वो वर्ड तुमने सुना है? वर्ड कार्बन फुटप्रिंट का नाम सुना है?
हाँ सर, बट पता नहीं सर.
हाँ, वो गूगल मारो यार. गूगल में यू आर लकी यू हैव गूगल. See what we are doing ultimately, simply building big buildings, बड़े बड़े चीज़ बना के we are thinking that we are all developed. It is wrong. Actually, I like these people, coastal people, Karwar, this Goa and all. यहाँ पे लोग बहुत sensible है. They are living in sync with the nature. They are not very ambitious. बड़ा बड़ा ये नहीं है, जो जितने में खुश है वो. ये in the name of development हम लोग क्या किए? You can see, just if you look back, you can see such a big thing cut. If you have seen SDM Engineering College, Dharwad, anybody has seen? SDM Engineering College, they are not cut. वो जो टोपोग्राफी था ना उसका, वो उनका एडमिन बिल्डिंग नीचे ही है, खड्डे में ही है, बाकी कुछ बिल्डिंग ऊपर है, कुछ नीचे, जो है उसको लेवल नहीं किया उन्होंने. They are not taken the trouble of leveling. Here it's leveled. So you see what happens. So much of diesel goes into that leveling, na? The forklift truck or the bulldozer, whatever you call, JCB and all. So lot of you have to think. I mean, life cycle. It is called a life cycle analysis. So क्या होता है life cycle analysis? कितना आदमी pollute कर रहा है? It's all by human. This people are doing a lot of things, like even a lot of awareness is coming. I am not saying you are not aware. You are also aware to many things. Only some things I am trying to share. People have awareness now. People are not trying to use more clothes, more soaps. They are trying to be in sync with more acids, chemicals. Even chemicals are causing cancer. They are carcinogenic. हम लोग ये सोप देखा, वो सोप देखा, अरे देखा टीवी में, तो जो टीवी में बताया सही है क्या? And all the young minds are heavily influenced by the media. Whatever opinions you carry, suppose I say apple means you do like this. Why? वो एक हाइप क्रिएट कर दिया होगा. वही मैं तुमको एक एप्पल देता हूँ खाने के लिए, you may not appreciate that. We have created हमारे ये साल our creations of our mind है, कुछ नहीं है, दिमागी क्रिएशन है. So that Greta Thunberg you heard, now you please listen to her. Now this was one of the speeches. She has spoken even more harsh than this. I think she was nominated for United Nations Prize, UN जो है ना, नोबल प्राइज के लिए उसको नॉमिनेट किया गया ऑलरेडी. Okay, so ज़्यादा हो गया? हाँ.